Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is conventional current. So let's start with your first topic, that is the conventional current. Now exactly, when you'll observe here, can you see there are two bodies, one has positive charges and the other has negative charges. When these two charges are joined by a metal wire, the direction of the flow of electrons is determined by the electric potential of the conductor. Now exactly, a conductor having more number of electrons is called as the negative potential or lower potential. More number of electrons is called as the negative potential or lower potential, whereas the conductor having deficiency of electron is called as the positive potential or higher potential. So let's see exactly what happens. Suppose imagine when a positively charged conductor is joined by a metal wire. So if I am considering here two bodies and joining them with the help of a wire. So this is your positively charged body, and this red graph indicates that it has more number of protons, okay, or more positive charge, whereas the green indicates it has less number of electrons or a very low amount of negatively charged or negative charge. Whereas if I'll consider this body, this has electrons. So if I'll consider here, it will be having a red small graph and a green higher graph. The reason behind that is red we are considering as the positive charge, whereas green we are considering as the negative charge. Now students, imagine if I am considering the flow of electron. Obviously the electron will flow from a negatively charged conductor to the positively charged conductor, for example here. So as soon as the electron moves from negatively charged to the positive charge, can you see that the green graph becomes a bit smaller? Why? Because it is losing negative charge. Now if we'll move again further charges, the level falls down, whereas in the positively charged object or the device, the level rises up. Exactly. So this is indicating that the charges or the electrons are flowing from a negatively charged body to a positively charged body. Now students, when you will consider, the electron will flow obviously from a higher level to a lower level. So this is nothing but the direction of the flow of electron, that it flows from negatively charged body to a positively charged body, and always the flow will be from higher level to lower level. Now let us imagine the flow of the proton. So again we are considering two bodies. Okay, again this body has more number of positive charge, whereas if I am considering this body has more number of negative charge. So this is your positive charge and they are connected with the help of wire. Now imagine a positive charge is flowing from one point to another point. So here can you see that due to the flow of positive charge, the red level in the second body increases, whereas the positive charge body decreases. Exactly. And this is how your positive electrons or positive charges flowing from one point to another point, and hence there's a rise of positive charge in the second object. So if you'll observe here, what we observed, that the positive charges will flow from higher potential to lower potential. So can we consider the direction of the flow of positive charge? Exactly. Yes, the flow is from higher level to lower level, considering positive charges.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.